Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So he's disturbed because he's out. He's eating an egg to feed to the baby chicks. So I normally feed them egg every single day for the chicks. For him to feed to the chicks because it's very hardy. It's a hardy food. So it's very high rich in protein. It's getting egg everywhere, so I better stop this video. So you don't have to cut the egg up, you just feed them whole and they get through it quite good. So yeah, you got the idea of a budgie eating a boiled egg. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, I just shook it over. Bye.